Hi, my name is Anna and I'm a third year politics student at the University of Exeter, and today I'm going to be talking about balancing 5 part-time jobs at the university. I was very excited to start university, but knowing that I would have to work alongside my degree was very nerve-wracking. I knew I wanted to study in the UK, but I was aware that my family wouldn't be able to support me financially. So I had to find a place where I would be able to work and study at the same time. And as I was looking at universities, Exeter was the perfect place for me. When I came to university, I was worried that I will be the person who doesn't have time to socialise because she has to work. But what I actually realised is that many students have part-time jobs. That's not only because they have to, but also because they want to. It's a good addition to your CV, and it shows that you're proactive and that you want to do something extra with your time. I visited My Career Zone, which is a career service on campus, and they helped me find a job on campus, which was fantastic because it meant that I could finish my seminar and I could go to work straight away. I currently have 5 part-time jobs. I work as a student ambassador, as a guild ambassador, as a guild reception assistant. I also work as a tutor and a tutor interviewer for an online tutoring platform. This might seem like a lot of work, but it's quite flexible. My managers know that we are students and that we have deadlines and exams. So for instance, in September and October, when I didn't have deadlines, I could do some extra hours. Whereas in December, when it came to my 2 essay deadlines, I could take some time off work to focus on that. So if you're ever worried about your financial situation at university, or if you're worried that you're going to have to do some part-time work, there are so many ways in which the university can help you, and there are plenty of people who are in the same situation. So with a little bit of proactiveness and organisation, I'm sure you'll be able to do well.